Dear students, in this video, we will discuss a CV sample for nursing, and I will also discuss some important skills and educational details how you have to add in your CV so that you can get recruited. First portion will include your name, your address, city and states, and then your email address, and then your phone number. This is a prototype sample. You have to must attach it. Then there comes an objective. You have to state it in an excellent way. Like you can say that you are a highly motivated and dedicated registered nurse with some year of experience in your special area. You adapt at providing compassionate patient care while collaborating with interdisciplinary team. In this way, you have to state your objective. Then there comes your education. If you have graduated, then you can state Bachelor of Nursing. And if you have done also master, you can state Master of Science in Nursing. Then you have to also add university name and graduation year. Now, the most important part there comes is the professional experience. Here you will state your position like you are working as a senior nurse or junior nurse with hospital or clinic name. Now you have to add all of the responsibilities that you are providing at some hospital or clinic. Like I have stated these four words, you can read it and add it. Like you can say that you conduct comprehensive patient assessment and develop individual care plans. You administer medications and treatment, ensuring accuracy and adherence to protocols. Now there comes other hospital that you have already served. Here it will be clinic name, and here it will be your position. Like you can again state all of the responsibilities served by you there. Like you can state you provided direct patient care, including monitoring vital signs and managing patient comfort. You assisted in various medical procedures and surgeries, ensuring sterile and safe environment. You documented patient information accurately. Now there comes the licenses and certifications. Like you can say that you are a registered nurse, you possess advanced cardiac life support certification, you possess pediatric advanced life support certifications, and now important is the skills. Skills are very important part of a CV. You can say that you possess patient assessment care planning, strong communication and interpersonal skills, proficient in using electronic health record system, ability to work efficiently in high pressure environment, team collaboration and leadership, continuous learning and ability multilingual if you can speak multiple languages. Now there comes the professional membership. Professional member is very important. Like it can be a nursing association or organization. Then there comes the reference. You have to put reference if you are recommended by someone for a specific job. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. I will answer it. And you can subscribe this channel for more details.